Hey everyone, it's Kevin from Strama AI. Today's video, I want to just do a quick tutorial about using our filters and sorting feature within Strama. So let's go ahead and dive in. So what we're looking at now is that we are inside a campaign. And within this campaign, we've added the ability to sort and filter the different columns that we see here to allow you to view the information that you want to see in a much quicker manner. So as an example, next to each um, column name, there is now a filter button. So we can filter by if they're missing company, if they're missing an email. If we choose that, we can see, oh, Jessica is missing an email. We can also have exclude for our sort as well. So we can also say, okay, let's show the people that are not missing an email. And we see the 7 people there. In addition to the filtering, we can also sort. So just like an Excel spreadsheet, if you click the down and up button here, allows you to sort by ascending or descending. And we can do this across the board. So again, let's look at qualifications. We can choose, oh, okay, which qualifiers do we want to see? So this is really great if you just dumped in a big lead list and you want to see, okay, I want to see all of our people that match the executive marketing role qualifier. Or on the flip side, don't match our executive marketing role qualifier. So maybe these might be people we want to take out. Um, in addition to that, we can have multiple qualifiers selected. In this case, that didn't work. Let's try this one. There we go. Folks that are both executive marketing roles and have $1 billion in revenue. We can clear all. And then we can also, again, sort ascending, descending by the number of qualifiers as well. So anyways, just want to do a quick tutorial, show how that worked. Again, to easily go through your campaigns to see, who might be missing data, who might have the highest amount of qualifiers that you might want to focus on first, or alternatively, might not have any qualifiers and be able to sort that out. And then, the same thing falls within the sequence as well. So hope that tutorial helped. We'll keep things going to show you new features and tools within Strama to help you with your prospecting. So thanks so much for watching and we'll see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.